Wadonje ni weche moko adek mane adwani wawachi kapok wadonje weche mag siasa. Ere pesa mar sikunde capitation ni kanye?
Ing'eyo
ang'o mepok wuoro pesa
ing'eyo Trevor, pesa mar sikunde me budget. The way mwati any capitation we release 50% first term, 30% second term, 20% third term. The first 50% nyocho wechigo in December kapoko yao kata term. So waunge gi gowi as National Treasury mar pesa manie budget more than the school.
Problem mabiro maiga mokalo nke jiga mokalo ni pesa.
No, but how do you use budget masani to pesa maiga mokalo? Trevor, that is where we get it wrong. And I said this and did you know misinterpreted. What I said was this, ni pesa mwakete budget okoromo wa finance nyithindo te or education te. Mo mine uka ichiwo percentage. King'iyo an nyithindo ng'eny. King'iyo sani primary schools nigi nyithindo million 11. Secondary schools or high schools masani gain over 4 million. Then universities 650,000. Now let's confine ourselves here. 4 million kiko get 22,000 a child. That should be 88 billion shillings. 11 kiko ge the cost per child. Let's call it like 3,000. You end up with 33 billion. Okay? Kidhi a budget, you'll find our budget for the all of them. Ebasamoro biro 80 something billion. Okay? So it means nipeza only what you about 120 billion cut in the schools. But okwanyang chiwama. In fact, nano kaji wacho ni wachok pesa tema basari, ambe na suggest man one time. But ki go cost mar education, kwanya lo miyo nyithindwa free education. Kenya is subsidized. Secondary schools or high schools, boarding schools should cost us almost 75,000 per child. Today's schools only go cost 35,000. Now, 75 ni emi non subsidized 22. To modo jonyuol chulo around 50 something. Now, 30. Yes, no, it's okay. To iketa kage now, 75 kigole 22 dong 50 something. Emaina no kajo nyuol chulo. Miwacho ni school ndio medo fees etc. We are forgetting ni 22 already serikali sechulo. Day schools is about 35. Kigole subsidies from government of 12, unka ikwayo jonyuala lufapara kachiel something like that. Now, kikao wawuonde nyithindo gete 4 million plus, actually 4.5. Gine day school te. Kagine boarding school, it is too expensive. Kagine day school te go get 35,000 per child, ubrubedo over 130 billion. That is only pesa mwenya lo chulogo high school, mo make high school bedo free. So sometimes we talk about free, and okwangeyo the implication. Kata mna Kibaki maji wacho no keto free primary education. No keto mna free primary, not free education. Secondary schools during Kibaki was not even subsidized. And primary school kende mno keta pesa. Uhuru mno chako, watch mara subsidized secondary education. Then, owajo ni kurubedi free. The truth is, ni kwadwa finance education in Kenya ka freely, 100%. We have to really free money. Yakawagol pesa mamo okoma the other areas to the education. Because the budget mwake to education sani oknyal sustain.
Tokmani majo pinyi bine wacho ni anga munuti mo mano